If you wait until next tax season to fix your taxes, it's already too late. So let me be real with you, sis. Once December 31st hits, there's very little that you can do to lower your taxes. So if you are planning to wait until tax season to see what happens, please don't get mad at your tax preparer. Be mad at yourself for not being proactive. Now's the time to move smart, not emotional, with your money. So here are my 5 top year-end tax moves that every businesswoman should make before the clock runs out on December 31st. Please get your pen and paper and write this down. 1, you want to prepay for any business expenses that you know you're going to be using. Most small business owners are cash-based tax payers, which means that you can write off expenses this year if you pay them before December 31st. So go ahead and pay for your subscriptions for the year. Pay for your software. Pay for your marketing services or supplies that you will need ongoing. Why wait to give the IRS more when you can reduce your income today? 2, you want to delay your income when you can. So what is delaying your income? If a client payment can safely wait until January, let it wait. Let's just say your client has a $10,000 check for you. That $10,000 hitting your bank account this year means that it's taxable this year. Like, you can wait a month or wait 2 days and boom, you just push that income into next year. It's not avoidance. It's called strategy. You want to also buy assets that you actually need. So if you've been planning to upgrade your equipment, buy a new laptop, or invest in a business property, now is the time to do that. So also, thanks to bonus depreciation, you can deduct up to 100% of qualifying purchases. You don't have to buy stuff you don't need just to get a write-off. Make strategic moves that make more money and save you money. And then you also want to reinvest back into your business. So marketing, hiring employees, hiring a VA, coaching, education, rebranding, all of this is deductible. Every dollar you put back into your growing business or growing your business is a dollar that's not going to get taxed. This is how you scale and save at the same time. You also want to use tax sheltered accounts. So if your income has been up this year, you want to shelter some of it. Look into a SEP IRA, a 401k, or a health savings account to keep that money working for you instead of going to the IRS. If you are a giver, consider donating to a foundation or setting up your own that's a write-off. And all of this adds up. You can't complain about taxes if you're not planning ahead. You need to plan ahead, and you don't want to wait to December 31st to start planning. You don't want to wait until tax season to start planning. This is the season to start strategizing. If you want to know exactly which moves make sense for your business, book a tax strategy session with me before the year ends, before the month ends. And let's make sure that your money stays where it belongs. And that's with you so that you can grow your business.